How to change background color in Picsart. Need a clean background for your image? Let's change the background color in Picsart and let's see how to do it. First, upload or create a design. Then go to the background layer in the editor. Click the color icon or palette tool. Choose from preset colors or use the color picker to select a custom shade. The background color will instantly update. Hit apply to save it. What's your go-to background color to use in Picsart? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Use light backgrounds for product shots and bold colors to make text-heavy designs pop. And that's how you can change background color in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.